Well, for Newmarket, sustainability means a lot of things. It means economic sustainability, it means environmental sustainability. The project that we undertook was one that would show people that building environmentally sensitive homes does not have to be a custom-built house. It was a way to rewrite the books.
We've outlined a process that anyone across the province or across Canada can follow.
We took a whole systems approach and we actually did some design charrettes and we really did some analysis. If we change this, what does it mean to that? And that's where we had the city and the peer review and everybody in on that to get as many of the big brains as possible to see how this thing could work out.
So if another municipality were looking at it, they know exactly what the resources are that are required. They understand the process that's required to make it successful. And I think the end result is therefore it makes it less costly for them.
One of the lessons that we've learned is that there is a market for these homes, definitely. When you look at the homes, there isn't much to distinguish them from the homes anywhere else in Newmarket.
All the things that are important to people and important to a society as it grows are part of the LEED label. To get to LEED Platinum, you have to change the way you build. 90% of the garbage from this site was recycled. A lot of the trees were kept. All of the wood in this house actually comes from sustainably harvested forests. One of the things you'll notice, we picked down here as one of our spots because you see this is the big difference in the house. You can't tell what's in the walls or what went into the building process, but that's the benefit of having that LEED label because every one of those things is proven and inspected and shown to be better. Toilets flush with rainwater. I love how quiet it is. I love how the air in this house is always fresh and it's very interactive. It allows me to know how I'm dealing with my environmental footprint in a way.
Council actually had two offers for the property. An offer from Rodeo Fine Homes to build the environmentally progressive homes and an offer from another builder to build more conventional homes. That offer was for approximately $500,000 more. The community rallied around this project early on in the project when there was a chance it might not happen. And they packed the council chambers in support of the environmentally progressive housing and really helped council make the decision that they did. The steering committee met every 2 weeks for a period of almost 3 years, which was a lot more intensive than processing what we might call a typical subdivision.
It takes leadership from a council to take the initiative and accept that there's a financial responsibility to do this.
Houses like this, we're talking between 5 and 8 tons of greenhouse gas reduction depending on how big the house is. 4 tractor trailer loads of bottled water a year we actually save. You don't need to have potable water to flush your toilets. You know, what it demonstrates here is something pretty fundamental to how this industry can move forward.
The time is now to make what we did as an initial step to make it the standard.